Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to make homemade sanitizer again. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoon of nail polish remover and 2 tablespoon of water. Why we need nail polish remover? Because it has alcohol in it which kills all the germs. Now I am going to measure it. Let's mix it. Look guys, it's very properly mixed. Let me put it in my containers. I have put my sanitizer in my bottle. Let's try. It's a really good sanitizer to use. I hope you like my video. Goodbye.